Hi friends, today I am going to tell you Zoom video conferencing and security issues. Before going to my topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos. Zoom is the leader in modern enterprise video communications with an easy, reliable cloud platform for video and audio conferencing with an collaboration, chat and webinar across mobile devices, desktops, telephones and room systems. Zoom Video Communication is a American communication technology company headquarters in San Jose, California. What is Zoom? Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing platform that can be used for video conferencing meetings, audio conferencing webinars, meeting recordings, and live chat. In 2019, more than half of Fortune 500 companies are officially using Zoom applications in desktops as well as official meetings. Now coming to Zoom use cases. There are two types of Zoom applications are there. First Zoom meetings and Zoom rooms. First one, Zoom meeting is a video referencing meeting that hosted using Zoom. You can join this application in meeting via webcam or mobile phone, laptop, etc. Second one, Zoom room is a physical hardware setup that lets companies schedule and launch Zoom meetings from their conference rooms. In Zoom rooms, companies they already set up a certain environment to conduct some meetings in certain time durations. Coming to Zoom main features, there are three main features are there. First one-on-one meetings. It can host unlimited one-on-one meetings even with free plan. Second one, group video conferences. In group video conferences, it hosts up to 500 participants. If you can purchase the plans of Zoom, you can add more large meetings you can conduct. You are using a free plan of Zoom meeting. You can uh, you can just add the participants 100 only. Each meeting, the duration should be up to 40 minutes. The third feature is screen sharing. Meet one-on-one or with large groups and share your screen with them so they can see what you see. Suppose you want to explain something from your system, you prepared some presentations, some documents, you can share with them directly at a time with a group of people. How does Zoom works? You can choose a four type of plans are there. Zoom allows one-to-one chat sessions that can grow into group calls, training sessions, and a webinar for internal and external audience. There are four type of plans are basic, pro, business, and enterprise. For free plan, you can host up to 100 participants, unlimited one-to-one meetings, 40 minutes limit on group meetings. You can make unlimited number of meetings. The remaining plans will start from $15 per month. Again, here admin future controls, next admin dashboards, dedicated phone support, dedicated customer success manager, unlimited cloud storage, access. This all types will be there in pricing. Cloud video conferencing. During the cloud meeting, it will be done through desktops and laptops and in tablets, mobiles, and room systems also it will be done. During that video call, high quality screen sharing also done. Instant or scheduled meetings also will conducted. During the video call, you can record in MP4 or M4A format. During that video call, you can use mouse and keyboard controls during that video call. As well, you can make a private or group chats also. See the picture, invite, manage participants, share screen, chat, and record option also is there. You can easily manage it. Next one, web meetings. Yes, at a time you can conduct in free plan. You can host up to 100 participants like meetings you will conduct. Suppose webinars, you are there in some other location, like the time you can host participants 500 or 1000 at a time by using this Zoom. Zoom is a virtual application. You can communicate with anyone. Next one, about Zoom. The founder and CEO of Zoom is Eric Yuan. He is a vice person of engineering at Cisco, vice person of engineering at WebEx. In Zoom, more than 2000 people are working for the developing and some programming. This company is started in April 21st, 2011. Again, see the revenue, net income, and total assets and total equity. Everything is in increasing in 2019. Recently, Indian government says video conference application Zoom is not safe. The Cyber Coordination Center of Indian Ministry of the Home Affairs said in a 16-page PDF advisory about the guidelines for the users who still wish to use Zoom for their personal and private communications. This platform is not for use by government officers, officials, for official purposes. It can be said by Press Bureau of India in a statement. Again, several companies including Google, Apple, NASA, and Tesla have argued or warned their employees from using Zoom application. As like India, German and Taiwan have also banned the use of Zoom in their nations. Because of this coronavirus, all education institutions and companies shut down. They are doing remote control via Zoom, some other applications. In India, last 2 weeks, 4 lakhs 50,000 times a day they downloaded this Zoom application. This research is done by the firm Aptopia. Next, what is Zoom bombing? Zoom bombing occurs when an uninvited individual gains access to your Zoom meeting. They join the Zoom session with the intent to disturb the meeting. Luckily, Zoom bombing can be prevented by enabling Zoom's privacy settings. During your Zoom meeting, some unknown person will join. He will share some wrong messages, unknown pictures in meeting. He can disturb a lot. Like this insecurity things we can avoid by preventing Zoom bombing. There are four guidelines are there. You can follow it with you can do safe Zooming. First one, you can create a password for your Zoom meeting. Second one, use a waiting room feature. This waiting room feature, if anyone want to join without your permission, he cannot attend the meeting. Third one, lock the meeting. After joining all the participants, you can lock your meeting. Fourth one, limit who can share their screens. Yes, you are hosting this meeting. You can control your session. You can only share your screen. If you want to share anyone their screens with you, you can give access to them. Then they can share the content with you, with everyone. Finally, the message from the CEO of Zoom regarding these security issues. The CEO of Zoom, Eric S. Yuan, has apologized for the security lapses and pledged to prioritize focus on users' privacy and security over the development of new features. Zoom recently announced a 90 days plan to address the issues, including hiring a number of privacy experts such as Alex Stamus, who formerly served as the Chief Security Officer at Facebook. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe, safe zooming.